Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micro market recap. Today is April 26th. It is Tuesday. We are at the New York close. As you see, markets are winding down in the equities. We're already closed in oil and gold here. Let's start out with micro oil. We opened gap up from yesterday's close. When we opened gap down yesterday, we had a close around over here or so, and they immediately had a move up towards our contract low. They couldn't sustain that movement, and they eventually came down and hit that edge here, signifying the range high for a monster recovery. So oil finishing net positive for the day. Gold, we opened slightly above from yesterday, had a move down, found support, they rallied up and couldn't sustain that move up, and eventually tested that low yet again and eventually broke down lower. So we did, ultimately for gold, we did still finish positive, as we could never really get back to that close. So net up in the oil market, gold, and we're going to be down in the equities. Now we opened in balance below the close from yesterday, and we just immediately started with selling off in the ES here, and they did not relent. There were some rallies, but they were not sustained. As you can see, those moves on the downside were much larger than the upside, and we had some congestion before lunch, and then shortly after lunch, as they just could not penetrate any lower this HVA edge. There was a battle there. You can see monster winner, and it just kept on going. Sorry, that was Dan talking in the other room. If you haven't heard of Dan's videos, he does a win-loss break-even as well as Pat. They're two different methodologies taught here at Target, but ultimately we are going to be finishing net down for the day in the ES and NASDAQ with these lows. Look at the volatility here. That's just insane. Those bars are huge, whipping around. But we did have quite a few entries today. Again, sellers just took charge immediately at the open, and they just kept driving it down. You can see there were some short rallies on the long, but they got stuffed. To see this, the fight to go longer was a lot harder than it was coming down, that's for sure. So these levels performed tremendously for a lot of our students here in the rooms each day, and they are given out the night before. So each student has access to these levels the night before the next trading session opens for us here. If you are interested in finding out more information about these HVA levels, how you can get them onto your charts the night before your trading endeavor, or if you're interested in learning how to trade in general, reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. We look forward to hearing you, and we'll see you around.